Hi, my name is TJ, and it's time for the Fun Farm Show, an educational program for kids. Let's watch it now. I wonder where he is. He told me to meet him at the barn at 8, but I don't see him. It's not like him to be late. Oh, Mr. G, you scared me.
Hi. Oh, I'm sorry I scared you. I used the kazoo to get across the farm. I was in a bit of a hurry.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, that's okay. So, how are you?
I'm good. Do you know what day it is?
Oh, what's today?
Today is the day we get to go to the garden and pick tomatoes.
Oh, I forgot. Hey.
Oh, what's wrong? You like picking tomatoes. Then we take them over to Mrs. G and she lets you eat a couple of them as a reward.
Well, yeah, I guess you're right. That is fun. They always taste fresh.
Maybe we'll have a couple of worms in them.
That sounds good.
Yeah, now he's excited. That's excellent. Well, first we need to go to the tool shed and get some tools.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, think tool shed. Think tool shed, kids and cadets. Kazoo.
Oh, wow, that was fast.
I love traveling by kazoo.
Me too.
Yeah, well, let's see. I see the wagon right there.
Yep.
And which is good because we'll have to hook it up to the tractor.
Yep.
Take it over to the garden, but we need a few other things. What do you think we need, TJ?
I think, how about those buckets?
Excellent, TJ. Good.
Okay.
What else? What else do you think?
We also need a saw.
Saw? I don't know, TJ. Tomatoes grow on vines, not trees.
Yeah. Oh, I do that. How about some clippers?
Clippers. Good idea, TJ.
That looks like we have enough for the tomatoes.
Yeah. I might as well put you in the wagon and then we can all travel over there together.
Wait, what? Oh, you can do that?
Yeah, did you enjoy that?
Well, I guess. You could have just picked me up.
Well, I just thought you might enjoy it and something different. Always enjoying something on the fun farm.
Right, okay.
Well,
we also need a little stool for me to sit on.
a little stool, yes. Well, you know what? I think Mrs. G has one over there waiting for you. So, are you ready to go?
Oh, okay. That's great.
Okay, let's think garden. Think garden, TJ. Think garden, kids and cadets. Kazoo. Here we are.
Oh, wow, there's a lot.
Yeah, look at all those tomatoes. Yeah, and I see you found the stool okay.
Well, yeah, I've got my stool and we've got our clippers, so we better get started.
Yeah.
How about a bucket?
Yeah, here's a bucket. Yep, and we are ready to pick some tomatoes. Oh, my back's a little sore from bending over all those times to get those tomatoes.
Oh, I don't have that problem. Probably because I'm so low to the ground.
That's true. Well, we have to get the buckets into the wagon, so... Let's count how many buckets we have, kids and cadets.
Oh,
TJ, join me.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 buckets of mighty fine tomatoes for Mrs. G.
Juicy.
Yeah. Well, we should probably get back to the barn.
Oh, okay.
So think barn, TJ.
Alrighty.
Think barn, kids and cadets.
Kazoo.
TJ, you did an excellent job today.
Oh, well, thank you.
You worked really hard and it was very helpful. And I found a couple of tomatoes with worms in them for you.
Oh, thank you, Mr. G. I'm sure gonna love those tomatoes, and having worms in them is like icing on the cake.
That's right.
And you know, it feels really good to have worked hard and to get everything done.
Yeah, it feels good to know you've worked hard and did a great job. There's pride in doing a good day's work, and I'm really proud of you.
Oh, well, thank you, but what's pride? I thought that was bad.
Well, when you do a good job and you've been helpful and you take pride in that good work.
Oh.
You see? And so being proud of something good is okay. It's when you start bragging or boasting and start feeling like you're better than other people, that's when pride isn't good.
Oh.
You see?
So what you're saying is it's okay to take pride in your work and to feel proud that you did something right, but it's not good when you go around bragging about it all the time and act like you're better than other people.
Right. Very good, TJ. We're supposed to feel good about doing the right things, but don't let it go to your head. Keep it in your heart.
Oh, I'll remember that.
Yeah. Well, let's get those tomatoes to Mrs. G.
Oh, you're right.
Sure. Well, kids and cadets, the work is done. We've had our fun, and now it's time to go.
We'll see you next time, kids and cadets, on the Fun Farm Show.